Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping back in time to explore one of America's most charming and compact classics, the 1937 American Bantam Roadster. This little gem is not just adorable, it's a symbol of pre-war ingenuity and American design creativity during the Great Depression. Exterior. Let's take a closer look at its exterior, interior, performance, and wrap up with some final thoughts on why this micro roadster still turns heads nearly 90 years later. The 1937 American Bantam Roadster was one of the smallest American-made cars of its time. From the outside, it's a perfect blend of cute proportions and elegant vintage flair. Up front, you'll notice the rounded fenders, a beautifully curved hood, and a delicate chrome grille that gives it a cheerful, almost smiling look. The headlights sit proudly on top of the fenders, typical of 1930s styling, while the short wheelbase and minimal overhangs emphasize its lightweight nature. Despite its small size, the Bantam Roadster has presence. The hand-finished body panels, polished chrome bumpers, and two-tone paint options made it stand out from the competition. It's like a scaled-down version of a luxury car, only more approachable and fun. Interior. Step inside, and you'll be surprised by the simplicity and charm of the interior. The cabin is tight, there's room for just 2 passengers, but every detail has been thoughtfully crafted. The dashboard features a single cluster of analog gauges with a large central speedometer, surrounded by Art Deco accents. The steering wheel is thin and elegant, perfectly matching the minimalistic design. Seats are upholstered in leatherette or simple cloth, depending on the model, and though there's not much space, it feels cozy rather than cramped. In many ways, the Bantam's interior captures the optimism of 1930s America, functional, cheerful, and straightforward. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the Bantam proves that big things can come in small packages. Performance. Under the hood sits a tiny 748cc 4-cylinder engine producing around 20 horsepower. Yes, that doesn't sound like much, but with a weight of barely 1,200 pounds, it could reach speeds up to 60 miles per hour, impressive for its size and era. The car featured a 3-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, making it light, agile, and surprisingly efficient. Fuel economy was another strong point. It could deliver up to 40 miles per gallon, something unheard of for the time. While it wasn't built for racing, it offered a joyful, go-kart-like driving experience, simple, honest, and full of character. In conclusion, the 1937 American Bantam Roadster is more than just a cute vintage car, it's a reminder of American innovation in tough times. It paved the way for small car design in the US and even influenced the development of the World War II Jeep, which Bantam helped prototype later on. Today, collectors love the Bantam for its rarity, historical importance, and undeniable charm. It's proof that even in the hardest times, creativity and craftsmanship can shine through. If you ever spot one at a classic car show, take a closer look. This little roadster represents a big piece of American automotive history. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into automotive history, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more classic car stories every week. See you in the next video.